Google recently launched one new image generation model that is Nano Banana, and that is creating a good amount of buzz. In this video, I'll show you how can you use Google Nano Banana, and that too absolutely for free. I'll show you two options using which you will be able to use this model and you will be able to play with it. Using the free tier of Gemini, you will be getting a very limited chance to use this particular model. But in this video, I'll show you two options using which you will be able to use it absolutely for free. There also will be certain limitations because it's a new model and Google imposed some of the restrictions there. But you will be able to try this particular model for considerable amount of time, and it's more than normal Google Gemini free tier. Let me show you very quickly these two options. So first one is Google AI Studio. So if I just type Google AI Studio here, then you'll be able to see the first link. If you click there, and then you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So if I click on get started, then you will be landing in this console. So currently you can see very prominently try Nano Banana is already available. So if I click on that, and then it will show you some of the warning that there are some limited access available. These limitations are maybe better than using the free tier. You will be getting a considerable amount of chance to play with this tool. If I close it, and then it's showing already a ready-made prompt. So what I will do, I'll delete this particular prompt. I will add one image from my computer. This is an image of a room without furniture. Now, if I type one prompt, change color of the wall to beige. And if I now click on this particular icon, now let's see if it can change the color of this wall or not. Now you can see it changed that color. This was our original image. It was white wall. Now it changed the color of this wall. You can see that it never touched anything on the roof, right? Now if I type a prompt, change the wooden floor to a marble one. And if I click on run, now it will work on and it will change the floor color also. Let's see how it comes back with. Now you can see it changed that floor color also. Now one very good thing is if I expand this particular image, just observe the reflection here in the wood, right? And that's very, very natural. Now if I click on this one, here you see the reflection. So this model improved in that way that it can produce this kind of a detail also. Because how a reflection will be there in the wood and also in this particular marble, so there will be difference, right? So that's the way you can do it. If I add one prompt, maybe add a sofa next to the window, and if I click on run, now that also it will work on and it will place a sofa there. So this is the way you will be able to utilize this particular tool. I'm in process to record another detailed video where I'll be showing multiple different use cases. How can you use this particular tool? But purpose of this video to show you two different options using which you will be able to use it absolutely for free. You can see it placed that particular sofa also here and it kept everything else same. So that's the beauty of this particular model. So this is one option. Now next one is another tool I'll show you using which you will be also able to utilize this particular model. Now this is LM Arena. If I type lmarena.ai, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. Very quickly, let me click on cross. I don't want to log in for now. You can log in so that you will be able to retain all of your work. Here there is a battle mode. In this particular drop down, click direct chat. Sometimes this option shows in the middle of the window also. So just find out wherever it's showing, click on direct chat. Now, if I click on generate images, there you can see it's automatically showing Gemini 2.5 flash image preview Nano Banana. So this particular model is selected. Now I copied one prompt and if I paste it here and then I click on this particular button, this is the prompt normally I use to generate thumbnails for my videos, and if I click on this particular button, let's see what are the image it comes back with. So it worked for 15 seconds and then it came back with this particular image. So you can see it's generated this image using Google Nano Banana. So these are the ways you will be able to use Google Nano Banana absolutely for free. I'll be publishing one video soon where I'll be testing out this particular tool in more detailed way, and I'll show you multiple different scenarios where you can use this particular model. If you are into generating AI images, I earlier published a couple of videos where I covered multiple different free AI tools using which you can generate stunning images. Check out this video to watch the first part, and second part is also there. Both links I'll be adding in the description below.